Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S10 FE, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and actually before we'll start, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. So after that, let's scroll down and find a software update. And here tap on download and install. And as you can see, your device will check for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. So this is the first one where your your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then it will be immediately downloaded. Of course, you can pause it if you do not want to download it right now. And the second scenario is where your device is actually up to date and there's nothing to download. Of course, your device will show you the relevant information about that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.